Hello friends, welcome to IBPS guide. So today is day 17. So in this session we'll be talking about data interpretation pie chart. So we'll be taking moderate level 5 questions and hard level 5 questions. Okay, so our mission is SBI PO 2019. So this session is going to be a bit longer, so hope you have taken your tea along and your snacks. So let us begin the session. So if you see, this is the moderate level of question. Let us read the directions what it says. So study the following information carefully and answer the following questions. The following pie chart shows the savings of two different friends in 2 months. So this pie chart shows the saving of different friends in October month, and this pie chart represent the savings in November month. So the total saving of all of them is 175, and total this is in 19000. If you see here, if you pay attention, these are in percentage. So the overall, the total of this will be 100%. Okay, so let us begin. So most important thing what you could do here is, before even looking at the question, so you could find the value of 1%. So if you see, 100% is 17500. So 1% would be 175. Okay, so similarly you must remember this 1% in October is 175. So let us find this similarly in this November month. 100% is the total, so 100% is equivalent to 19000. So 1% will be 190. So this is your second two values. Okay, so let us take the first question. Let us read what it says here. The saving of Harish in November is approximately what percentage more than the saving of Ganesh in October? So if you see, in Harish in November is how much? 22%. So if you see, 22% in October is how much? We have to find this value. This is in Harish, so I am representing by H. 1% in November, as I have told you, is 190. If you see the first video in the starting of the video. Okay, so let us calculate what is the value. I have taught you the finding multiplication very faster. So what will be applying that? So 9 into 2 is 18, 1 carry, 9 into 2 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 21, 2 carry, 1 to the 2, 418. So let us write the value 4180. Similarly for Ganesh, if you see, so let us see for Ganesh here. Let us represent Ganesh by G. So Ganesh is for the month of October. If you see Ganesh here, it is 11%. Okay, so 1% from the 4 is 175. We'll find the multiplication of this 175, 175. Finding the multiplication of with 11 is very easy. What you write the same number twice. 175 by 175. 5 comes here. 2 1 carry. 8 9. Okay, so 1925. So let us see, 1925 is your value. Okay, now what we have to find is the percentage, approximately what more than that of Ganesh. What we have to do is find the difference between these two. So if you see here, let us find the difference. 1925. Okay, so 5 comes here, 7 minus 2 is 5, then 11 minus 9 is 2. So again what is remaining? 3 minus 1 is 2. So difference is 2255. What comes at the bottom is 1925. Okay, into 100 divided by 5, 1 2 3 times, then 42 8 times, then 385. Okay, if you divide it, it will be 4, then 5 1. Okay, again if you see, this would be further divided by 11. 3 times is 33 5. Okay, again this would be 4 times, then 41. So 41 by 35. So as you know, it is very easy to find the division of these two. So if you see, it will go for 1 6, then point comes here, then 0. It is approximately 1 times 35. 5 comes here, then 2. Okay, so it is approximately more than 5. Okay, so it will be always greater than 115. It will be around 117. This much approximation you can use, no need to do it completely. Okay, so which value is it closest to? If you see, it is in option C. Okay, so let us take question number 2. If Ganesh gives 26% of his savings in October to his mom and 10% of his saving to charity. Okay, and again Lokesh gave 25% of his saving in November to his brother and 50% of his saving to charity. Okay, then find the ratio between the remaining saving of Ganesh in October to that in Lokesh in November. So what you have to do is find the remaining. So before that, let us find the investment of both of them. Okay, so let us find the saving of both of them. Let us take first Ganesh. Ganesh, if you see in October, how much? You see it is 11%. So 11%, what is the value of percentage in October month is 175. Okay, so into 175 it will value. No need to cut it because we have to finally find the ratio. So you can make use of this concept which I'm teaching you. So other student will again calculate the multiplication of this, again divide. It would be just a waste of time. Keep as it is. Okay. Next, if you see 26% of his saving in October to his mom and 10% of his saving to charity. What is remaining? What is how much he has donated? 36. What is remaining? 36. 64. So 64% of this amount, 11 into 175. Okay, next let us see divided by Lokesh. Lokesh gave, let us keep here Lokesh here, 25% of his saving to November. Let us see his investment. Okay, in November, if you see here Lokesh, if you see it is 23%. So 23%, what is the value of November? It is 190. Okay, so no need to calculate again, as I have told you. Let us calculate how much he has given. Okay, 25% plus 15 is 40, remaining is 60. Okay, so 60% of 23 into 190. Okay, so these two are divided, 100 gets cancelled away. Again, what else it will go? If you see, this will go by 4 times, 1 times 15, again 1 times, so again 24 would be 5, 16. Okay, so these two value we have. Next, what we could do is, let us do further division. Let us see what value we are getting here. So this will go for 5 times, it will be 3, 15. Okay, again if you see here, this will be 3, 8, 38. Okay, again more division, yes, 8 times, this would be 19. Again any further division? Before doing that, if you see, this will go again further division 3 times, this will go for 7 times. Okay, so this would be 88 into 7, 8 5 is 40, 56, 5 carry, 56, 61, 616. So we have got the numerator. Let us find the denominator now. 23 into 3 is 69 to 9, so 81, 8 carry. Now again 54 plus 9 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 63, 60, 71, 7 carry, 1, 6 is 6, 13, 1, 3, 1, 1. Where do we have? It is in A. So hope you are understanding. I am trying to solve the problem as simple as possible. Okay, so let us go to question number 3. What they have asking you is, find the average saving of Naren and Lokesh in November and Arun Haris in October. So what you have to do is find the average. For that, average formula, as you know, it is total by sum by total number. Okay, number. So if you see, first we have to find the sum. For that you have to add Naren and Lokesh in November. What is Naren? Naren is 15% and Lokesh is 23. What is the total? 8, 3, 38. So 38% of 1%, if you know, in November it is 170, 190. Okay, 190. And again you have to add this second part, that is Arun, Haris and Ganesh. Arun is 32 and Haris is 18. That would be 32 plus 8 is 40, 50, and Ganesh is 11. That would be 61. Then multiplication of 175. Total is how much? Naren and Lokesh. Now this is the most important thing. If you see number, it will come to your mind that it is 5. Okay, because they are given 5%. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But they are talking in about months. So how many months it is there? It is asking the average of months, not the average of the people. Okay, so how many months are there? So you have to divide it by 2. So let us find the sum of this entire value. What we'll get here is 38 into 19. If you do here, 8 9 is 72, 7 carry, 27, 35, 42, 4 carry, 1 3 is 3, then 7, 7, 22. Now what we have to do is add further. Now we have to, 0 will come here. Okay, now 175 into 61, if you do 1571, 0 3 carry, 42, 5 4 carry, 6 1 6 is 10, 5 7 6 1 0 6 7 5, what you have to do is add here. 5 comes here, 9 comes here, 8 comes here, 7, 1. Okay, so we have to take the half of that. If you see, what we'll get here is half of that would be 8, 1 carry 9. Okay, again 4, 1 carry 7.5, 8, 9, 4, 7.5. Where do we have this? It is an A. Okay, so let us take question number 4. My suggestion would be to solve the problem, pause the video and try to solve the problem on your own. This way only you will be able to solve the problem in the exam, and you will not get shocked when you see a completely different type of problem. Okay, see, let us see the question what it says. Find the difference between the central angle of locus in October. Locus, if you see, it is how much? 24%. And again Naren is how much? 15%. Okay, so what is the difference? Difference is 9. So what was the total value? Is 100. Okay, what you have to do? Multiply it by 360 degree, because the total is 360. Okay, 0 0 get cancelled here. This will go for 5 times, this will go for 18 times. Okay, so 18 into 90 is 7 carry, so 9 6 7 162. So if you divide it by 5, what you will get is 1 to 3 times. 3 times will be 115. 1 carry 2 times 10, 2 carry, then 4, 32.4. Where is it? It is in A. So your value would be 4A. So hope you are understanding these problems. So because we have taken it in moderate, because it is consisting of 2 pie charts, so you will be able to deal with this problem easily when you see this type of problems. Okay, so let us move on to question number 5. Let us read what the question says. What it says is you have to find the total amount of saving of Naren and Harish together in both the months. So the question is very straightforward. What you have to do is simply find the sum. Okay, let us see Naren and Harish in month of October, how much it is. Naren is 15% and Harish is 18. So 15 plus 18 is 33%, and 1% is equivalent to 175. Okay, so let us see in November, Naren and Harish is how much? 15%, Harish is 22. So 15 plus 20 would be 25, 35 plus 2 would be 37. So 37%, and again 37%, 1% is 190. 175 into 33, if you do 5, 1 carry, 21, 22, 2 carry, 313 is 5. Again 525 comes here, 5, 7, 7, 5. Okay, so value is 5775. Okay, let us see 37 into 19. What it will get is 3, 6 carry, 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 7 will be 34, plus 6 will be 40. 4 carry, 1 3 is 703. Your value is 7030. What you have to do is add both of them. 0, 1 carry, 8. 5 plus 7 is 12. You have to divide both of them. So no need to divide. So actually they were asking the total amount. So 12805. Where do we have? It is in here, 12805. So this is a hard level of question. Let us see how we could approach this type of problems. Study the following graph. Hard doesn't mean that it is very difficult. Actually the calculation is lengthier. Okay, let us see what the question says. Study the following graph carefully and answer the given questions. The pie chart shows the percentage distribution of the amount they had in their hand. So this pie chart is the percentage distribution of the amount they had in their hand. So it is actually the amount they have invested, each of them. Okay, so total amount they have invested is 3 lakh. From here you could divide that. 100% is 3 lakh, that is 0 0. Then 1% is how much? 3000. Okay, so let us take the first question number 1. What it says is Hari and Ilango started a business by investing 60% and 50% of their capital amount respectively. Okay, they have started a business and each of them had invested 60% and 50% of their amount. Okay, after 1 year Hari increased his capital by 20% and Ilango decreased his capital by 30%. What this statement means is, suppose they have invested 100%, 100 rupees in first year, then in second year they have increased by 20. So in second year they have invested this much, so their total will be 220. So this concept is important to understand here. Similarly, he has decreased by 30%. So his investment is suppose 100, then he has decreased by then 70. Okay, then his total investment would be for 2 years, it would be 170. So let us see how we could, and at the end year Harish receives 66,000. Okay, so let us see how we can approach this. First you have to find the amount invested by Hari equal. So let us denote Hari by H. Hari is 25%, so 1% is 3000, so your value would be 75,000. okay, and again what it says is after 1 year and invested 60%, so 60% he has invested. This is the amount he has invested. He has the total saving, and how much he has invested out of this business is 60% of this amount, okay, that he had. So 60% of this would be how much? If you divide it, you will get here 0 0 0 0. 75 into 6 if you do, you will get the value to be, let us see what we will get. 75 into 6 will be 0 3 carry 42 45. So 45 is a value, 45000 is your investment. So let us do the same thing for Ilango also. So he has invested, let us see how much money he has invested first. That is 20%. So 20% into 3000 would be how much? 60,000. okay, so how much money he has invested? 50% of his amount. okay, so 50% of this amount would be half of 60,000. So half of 60,000 is 30,000. okay, so these two values are important. Let us see what we could do next is, after 1 year Hari increased his capital by 20%. So Hari increased his capital by 20%. So 10% of this is 45,000. So 20% of this increase would be 9,000. So his value would be 54,000. okay, so his total investment by the end of second year would be first year, second year 00099. okay, so let us see, let us do the same thing for Ilango. So his investment is this much, 30,000. Now he has decreased his investment by 30%. So 10% is 3,000, 30% is 9,000. So he has decreased by 9,000. So that would be 21,000. And first year was 30,000. okay, so if you add both of them, it would be 51,000. So the ratio of both of them it would be, that is the investment amount is, if you know the formula, profit is when capital invested into the time period. okay, so time period is same for both of them, that is 2 years. So let us find the ratio between Harish and Ilu, profit ratio. okay, so this would be the profit ratio. So amount he has invested Harish is 99. We are not adding 000 because 00 will get cancelled here. 99 is to 51. okay, so if you see, it will be divided by 3. So this will be 33 and 17. At the end Hari received this much. So the value of Hari is, that is 33 is 66,000. 1 would be 2,000. 1 is 2000. So find the total profit. So 1 unit value we have 20, total is 2000. So total would be 33 plus 17 would be 50 into 2000. okay, so that would be 10,000. What is the value? 1 lakh. So your value would be C. So I have made you explained you the problem as simple as I have could. Even if you have doubt, you could please mention it in the comment. okay, what it says is, Nitish started a business by investing 2/3 of the amount. okay, after 3 months Rahul joined with him by investing rupees this much, and Nitish received 24,000 from the total profit of 39,000 at the end of the year. Then what percentage of amount invested by Rahul out of the total amount he had? okay, so first we have to find the amount invested by Nitish. okay, I am representing Nitish by N, so it is 15%. 1% is 3,000. So what is the value is 45,000. okay, so again he has invested 2/3 of the amount. So 2/3 of this would be how much? 2/3 of this amount would be 45,000. That would be 1,5. okay, 000, that is 30,000. okay, so this is the amount by Nitish. Now what we have for Rahul, they have given is, this is the amount he has invested, X plus 5,000. So what will be the ratio of the profit? If you know, which I have told you, profit is directly proportional to the capital into time period. okay, so we are going to use this formula. So the profit ratio would be profit rate. okay, so profit would be for Nitish and Rahul. Nitish would be amount is 30,000. for how much period he has invested? 12. Okay, and Rahul has invested for how much? If you see, after 3 months, so 12 minus 3 is 9. So what is the amount he has invested? X plus 5000. So let us do the calculation. 3 times, this would be 4 times, this would be 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, so if you see, this would be 40,000 and this would be X plus 55,000. Okay, so this is the ratio. So now what we are doing is, so they have given that the Nitish received this much out of the total profit of this much. So Nitish has received 24,000 out of total of 39,000. Okay, this is one ratio that you have given. From here also we could derive this relation. How much Nitish has received? 40,000. What was the total invested? Addition of these two, that will be X plus 45,000. Okay, so what you have to do is simplify this. Okay, so this will go for 1 times, this will go for 5 6 times. Okay, so let us see how much more further we can. This will go for 2 times, this will go for 13 times. If you do the calculation, you will get the value of X to be 20,000. Okay, so this is the value of X we have got. Now what they have asking you is, find what percentage of amount invested by Rahul out of the total amount he had. So how much money he has invested? That is X plus 5,000, that is 25. X is 20,000 plus 5,000 will be 25,000 invested by Rahul out of the total amount he had. So how much total he has invested? If you see, that would be 22. That is Rahul, if you see here, is 22%. So 22 into 3,000, because 1% is 3% into divided by into 100. So 0 0 0 gets cancelled there. Okay, now what we have to do is, we have to find the value of this approximately. Okay, so there is 25, again this is 66. Let us see what we will get. No need to do exactly, you can do it approximately as they have given you in the question. So approximately how many times? 60 into 3 times. So let us try with 3. 8 1 carry 18 19. Okay, so 0.3 is 198, that would be 52. Okay, again 0. Okay, so you can see it is approximately greater than 5, so it would be approximately 38. Okay, so your value would be 38%. You could use this type of approximation in your calculation, and if you have doubt, you can do this calculation also. It will not take much time if you have know the concept in the examination. Okay, so let us see this question number 3. What it says is, see this problem, let us see, there is a very special problem. You could see the difference between the approach. Okay, there is 2 approach of doing things. I'll show you the better approach. Sahul, Nitish and Rahul, okay, started a business by investing this of the amount. Find the profit ratio of Rahul at the end of the year. So what some people will do, this type of people will approach this problem is 45% into, actually how much is Sahul, if you see from here, is 18%. Again he will find the 18%, again he will calculate 45% again into 3 lakh. So again he will calculate for Nitish also similarly and Rahul also similarly. Okay, so this is going to be a very lengthy process, and you can imagine how much time it will take for this solving this type of problem. But this type of person, how will he approach the problem is, so if you see, Sahul is 18% and invested is 45. Okay, and again if you see, Nitish is how much? 15. How much he has invested is 30. Okay, and again if you see, Rahul 22 and 54. Okay, so let us solve this problem. How much time it will go? It will be divided by 3. This will go for 6 times, this will go for 5 times, this will go for 1 2 5 6 7 8 18. Okay, so let us see how much. Let us do further. It will go by 3 2 times, that will be 10 times, that will be 6 times. Okay, so this will be 1, this will be 5, and this will be 3. So the value will be 45 is to 25 is to 66. Where do we have this? It is in B. So you can see how simply in simple manner we have to solve this problem. So this problem is a homework for you. Okay, so please solve this problem and give in the comment. I always go through the comment and see how many of you are giving the correct answer. Okay, So let us go to question number 5. So let us move on to question number 5. So this question is going to be the last question in our session. So let us see what it says. The whole amount invested by Elango is what percent less than the amount invested by Hadi? If you see, no need to do anything, just take Elango, how much it is, 20%, and again how much is Hadi? Hadi is 25%. Okay, so let us see the difference between them is 5. Then I have told you comes at the bottom, that would be 5. 1 by 5th, so 1 by 5th, if you remember, is equivalent to 20%. Okay, so your answer would be. So hope you have enjoyed the video, and before moving to the conclusion, I would tell you that please practice mocks. Okay, mocks will help you to give the exam in a proper manner. It will give you a mindset of how you could complete the entire paper in the stipulated time. Okay, so you could practice mocks and also please practice previous year questions. Okay, so let us see. Okay, thank you. If you found the video knowledgeable, give it a like, and please comment, express your views, how you feel about the videos, and do share with your friends on all the social media websites like Facebook, okay, and Google Plus, and also share it with your friends in your WhatsApp group so that your friends may know that we are preparing videos for them. Thank you. Keep smiling. Okay, see you in the next session.